Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect a monitoring unit to your production equipment. There are several ways to connect it, and I will show you three of the most popular ones. It is really easy and you can monitor your equipment in no time. It's like in minutes. Here how you do it. First I open the box, and inside of it you can see there are up to 10 sensors could be connected to it. First one, second one, and third one. So what I'm now going to do, I'm now going to connect an optical sensor. It's a simple one, really cheap one, you can get it anywhere. And what it does, when there is a movement somewhere in the range of 20 centimeters from it, it gives a signal to the monitoring device. It is a standard sensor, you can get it really anywhere, and there are many types: optical, laser, mirror, and whatever. Lots of different ones. This is how you do it. We have just connected an outside sensor. It is not connected to the 220 yet. The monitoring device, what it needs is 220 voltage and also internet. Internet, in this case, we have two ways. It's either Wi-Fi or GSM. So internet is already set up in this monitoring device. What I will do now is connect 220. You can see a green light here, it shows that it is connected. And we can also check the optical sensor. You can see a red light is moving here. So it is working. Okay, now I will turn it on just to check it if it is really working properly. So the program is loading. Now I will set it on the. This optical sensor is connected to slot number 1. So I will now turn it to graphic number 1, and also put it in English so that you can see it better. And save it. Okay. So this shows that we have now connected, and the red line shows that there are no signals from the sensor. So far I have made a few. Okay, now since I have touched the sensor, he already has some signals, but now I want to check it if it is working properly. So, So I'm now going to make some movements in front of it, and then I expect them to be correctly showed on the equipment. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now what I expect to see is 5 pieces of some whatever product that you are producing to be shown on the monitoring device. What it does, the signal travels to the device, then it gets uploaded on the server, and then the tablet or any other cell phone is connecting to it and sees in real time what is happening. Real time is actually not real, it is taking 1 or 2 minutes for data to get there, but it is almost real time. So some time has passed, we are now checking. As you can see, what I have just done, there are 5 pieces. The blue column shows the pieces per minute. In this case, we have just checked this optical sensor, and it is working properly. Now I'm going to show you how to connect other devices. Right now, what I am going to do is to show you also the second very simple solution. This one is just a simple button, as you can see. This simple button can also be used in any of your devices. This time we connect it directly to the monitoring device, and it only has two wires, brown one and blue one. So. So I have now connected the button. I switch to slot number 3 in this case. Okay, it's graphic number 3. Save it. Here it is. And what I can do is I will just now turn it on. Show it closer. Okay. And as you can see, as I turn it on, slot number 3 is already working. In this case, what I have done is I have set another mode. It's a different mode, not pieces per minute, but seconds per minute. For example, I turn it off, it's already off. I turn it back on, it's on. This is also very useful for all types of equipment that uses constant pressure or constant work. It's not per piece, it's some period of time. For example, a press or whatever.
So, and in a few moments we will be able to check it if it is collecting the data properly.
Here you can see it was the first minute, 4 seconds on it. So we'll now just wait for another minute. We just make a refresh. Here you can see the second minute. It was when I turned it on and off. It's about 57 seconds per that minute. So it's also useful. Okay, and now I will show you the third way how to connect the monitoring system to your device. This is our machine. What it means, it is connected to 220 voltage and it does some sort of operation. In this case, it turns on the light or it turns it off. So what we want to do is, in this case, we want to check how many times the light was on and how many times the light was off. What you need for this, you need a transformer to transform 220 into a smaller voltage. In this case we use 12, but it could be anything from 5 to 24. So and the connection that you need is parallel connection. This is very important. You need to connect to the process that you want to monitor in parallel way. In this case it's just simply like that. So we have the wire, put it. So I switch to slot number 2. It's graphic number 2. Okay, this is our attempt a little bit earlier before. And now what I will show you is we will try to turn the light on 3 times and to see it in here 3 times also.
So we're gonna do it once. You can see in here slot number 2 is green, so it is getting a signal. So we now turn it off. Then we turn it on again, it's 2. Turn it off. And turn it on again, it's 3. Okay, now the data is traveling to the server, from server to the tablet, and in a few moments we will be able to see 3 pieces of operation of your device. In this case, it's turning on the light.
As you can see, there are 3 pieces in this column. So in this minute we made 3 pieces of some operation, three times the operation. So here is how easy you can connect it, and thank you very much for your attention. Good luck.